Have you ever thought about creating a sensory garden? These unique gardens are designed to engage all five senses, offering a calming and therapeutic sanctuary right in your backyard. Creating a sensory garden is simpler than you might think, and today you will learn how. The first step in creating a sensory garden is selecting the right plants. Different plants appeal to our senses in unique ways. Fragrant flowers like roses and lavender tickle our noses with delightful scents. Textured plants such as lamb's ear invite us to feel their velvety touch. A riot of colorful blossoms delights the eyes, while plants that attract hummingbirds and bees add a symphony of sound to our garden. Remember, variety is key when selecting plants for your sensory garden. Once you have your plants selected, it's time to design your garden. The layout of a sensory garden is a key factor in its success. Consider creating pathways for seamless navigation, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the sensory experience. Grouping similar plants together can enhance the overall impact, while areas for rest and contemplation allow for moments of quiet reflection amidst the sensory stimulation. With a well-thought-out design, your sensory garden will be a place of relaxation and enjoyment. After you've planted your sensory garden, it's important to maintain it properly. Regular watering is key, as it helps your plants grow strong and vibrant. Pruning keeps your plants in check, encouraging new growth and better air circulation. Don't forget about weeding. It's vital to keep those pesky invaders at bay. Remember, some plants may require special care or conditions to truly flourish. With proper care, your sensory garden will continue to engage your senses for years to come. Creating a sensory garden is a rewarding experience that offers many benefits. From choosing the right plants to designing and maintaining your garden, each step is a journey worth taking. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!